Brown and Surge. True traders react to the market.
Let me explain to you guys for some of you who are new here. Pre-open market, what we do is that we will select the stocks from the theoretical most active. You can see from here, the drop-down list, go for theoretical most active. Alright, so here are a few things that I need you guys to set into it, which is the TO price, TO change, and TO volume. So where do you find all this is you can find it from here. If let's say you're using M Plus the trading account, which most of you are using this, right? So you can see a gear icon here, click on it. All right, so usually it will be in transaction info, theoretical volume. Okay, so you can scroll down to T, then you'll find that theoretical open volume, and then next one is we need the price. So when we need the price, we need to go to price info. So price info, same thing. So you can see theoretical open price change and also theoretical opening or closing price. So here's a few tricks for you guys. For this column over here that you have a lot of things that, so I don't need all of it. So I just need the buy sell price, the buy orders, buy quantity, previous closing price. And then theoretical opening will be at the bottom here. So to make it easier for every one of you to look into it is you drag this theoretical opening price, open volume, open price change. Okay, so best is the opening or closing price. Theoretical opening or closing price is next to the previous closing price. Okay, then because these are the things that we want to look into it, then you can just click OK and then apply into all of it, or just add theoretical most active. Okay, and then you can just select OK, and then you will see all of this here. So the first rules over here that we are looking into it, because we are looking for this those stock that they will push the price up higher. We will only look into the chart right now, okay? But we select it from looking at the theoretical data. Few things that you have to keep in mind is that avoid those with the X date. So because they have X date, so that's why there will be a price changes, that adjustment there. So we won't look into this. Let's say we look into Coraza. Coraza, what we are looking at, first thing, look at the TO volume. Make sure that the price TO change have about like at least a TO price change of up. So this is actually indicating if let's say the market open, then we will have the price open at this price. Is 5 cents up, or maybe like 15 cents up, okay, 1.5 cents up. So these are the things that we want to look into it. So if let's say that is too high up, too much of it, let's say more than 3 cents up, those are the things that we want to avoid. All right, so of course except for those like it's more expensive, because one tick is actually much more expensive. So if we look into Coraza, the first thing that we need to look into it is the TO volume. Make sure TO volume is higher than each of the cell cube. Once we have fulfilled this, the next thing we need to look into it is the chart. What we want to see is that we want to look for those stocks that they are attracting buyers. The price must be moving upwards, okay, during the daily charts. And then at the high side, something like this over here, at the high side, where they are attracting buyers, they want to get more people to come in. Okay, so which means Coraza, it doesn't fulfill what we want. So for the first start, I would like you guys to actually look into it like a practice, okay? Don't move in using your real money first, because like I say, day trade is a bit difficult for you to master it in some time, because you might get into never ending of cut loss. So I think what you want to do here is that you can actually download one app called Seafood.my, which I have it here. Right, so this is the app Seafood.my. So you can see it here. So you can just do all the trades from here. right? So you can just search for the stocks. Let's say for right now, if let's say I want to look into Tenaga, then you can just type Tenaga. Oops. Tenaga, you can just click on the add here, and then add to portfolio, and then how much we are entering. If let's say in this case we do day trading wise for first time for a position sizing should be half of what you usually do. So right now at 59 right now, so we don't have much time. So I need to share with you guys that how we enter. So we need to enter at 8, 59 and 55 seconds. So we only left like 20 over seconds here. So what I'm going to look into it, the one that is moving up seems like it's more to what I want to look into it. Each time you can only enter into one. Okay, remember this. All right, so Chinin. So you can see the highest buy price is 256. So what I want you to do is that you key in the order at 55 seconds. So make sure you key in the order right now. Everything is done. Okay, at higher than 2 ringgit and 56 cents. Right now, move in like maybe 257, then move in. So just to get the price, okay, just to get the price. So once we enter into Chin Hin, we are not going to look into the charts anymore. So the opening price was 255. Why I want you to key in at 257 at first is because whichever came in early, okay, or maybe whoever bid the highest price. Okay, so right now it's 259. So what I want you guys to look into it is the transaction data. Okay, the transaction data. So we want to see any ding dong over here. So 259 was actually thrown down to 258. So everything will be very fast over here. 258. So usually you need to take note of, usually the buy queue here is about 100 lots is the highest. Okay, so if let's say they want to push the price up higher, they will refill back to 100. So right now they have refilled back to 100 here. So it means that they might want to take 259. So throw down again 100. So we can see the stock price of 258 was actually jump from here, jump from here and then jump back to here again. There's a ding dong. Okay, now it's clear again, but they have not filled back into the buy side. So the things that we are focusing on are in this, the buy sell queue and also the transaction data to see how is it transacted. 258 is refilled back. Okay, it's back to the buy side right now. Oh, it came in 2000 plus at 258, refill at 2000 plus. That's a lot. So that time you need to be very sensitive and sharp when you look into this kind of transaction pattern. So the sell queue right now, one of the things that we always look into is the sell queue is still higher than the buy queue, so which means that they want to create some volume over here. So 258. One thing is you can use Share Investor Station to look into it. Use the quote movement here, which is much details. So I'm just going to put it this way. So just now 258 was 2000 plus, 1004 is being cleared. It's done. This transaction is done, so it's clear. So just now we see they clear 258 and then they refill back to about 2000. And then right now they are see whether they refill now. If let's say they keep on refilling and refilling, then we have to exit. Okay. So far we don't see any refill here, but they are just clearing slowly. When the total buy queue and the total sell queue, total buy queue is more than the total sell queue, then that's where we need to be get ready. Okay, get ready to see any exit signal. It's not an exit signal for us. If let's say buy side is more than buy queue, total buy order is more than the total sell order, but it's a precaution, okay, to alert us. Okay, get ready right now to see any of the exit rules. Okay, 258 is being cleared, but it's not refilled back to the, okay, right now it's refilled back to the buy side, 100 lots. So it's a point, average point that they are looking into it. So they took 20 lots at 260 and then 50 lots, okay, left 10 lots here. 259 they refill to 2000 and they are being cleared 1490. So is the same, about the same as just now. So looking into this, seems like they want to create a volume. So like I say, why we want to look for those stock that is moving up higher is because they want to attract the buyers. So they are creating a lot of volume here to attract the buyers to come in. That's why as long as they are doing this kind of movement, this kind of creating buying volume, like buy transacted buy volume, then these are the things that we want to look into it. Then they still have the intention to move up higher. So right now 258 is being refilled to 200. So if let's say you download this seafood.my apps over here, what you can do, there's a features inside here. You can actually, okay, there's a throwdown of 25 lots to 259 and then being pushed back to 226. Okay, never mind. What you can do here is that because I have my portfolio here, which I do the paper trading for every one of you to look into it. So you can see the market value, how much is it right now, and then the unrealized profit. So right now I have some losses here because of the EPMD here. All right, so never mind. So I can just continue look into it. So you can see all this my portfolio here. Okay, simply by just following us. All right, so you can see, you can search for us. Okay, round and search. All right, so you can just click on follow and then maybe subscribe to us, you know, to see our portfolio. All right, and even they have the coin system, which if let's say you like us, you can just reward us with the coin. So you need to top up the coin. So you can download this for your paper trading purposes. So let's continue on to look into this. Slowly taking and then slowly throwing one time to 259, second time to 259 again. And then 260 is being refilled a multiple time. All right, there's a lot of throwing out at 259. So let's get out at 259 right now. So get out 259. You can only get out at 259 because right now straight to the buy side. So click on it, 259, exit. Okay. All right, 259, exit. Get out from it first, and then you can see 259 are being sold, and then it's 259 are clear. All right, it's clear. So right now, if you don't get out fast after seeing all this selling are coming in, then you're not able to sell it at 259. Or maybe if let's say queue at 260, then you have no time to actually exit at 259. You have right now the only chance for you to exit is at 258. Okay, so that's why I say if let's say you look into these kind of stocks, then you have to be sharp and then also you need to exit quickly. All right. So far, enter at 255. Let's say paper trades. Then we have a profit of 160.
Thank you for watching our video. Hope you guys are able to know more about day trading in this video. If you want to learn more about day trading and tape reading, our next 6-month online training course intake will commence on 5th of March. After attending our 6-month course, you will be able to identify which stocks have big boys accumulating in it and ride along with the big boys to the price peak. With the knowledge you learn from this training course, you will be able to perform day trade, short-term trading, mid-term swing, and also identifying the bottom for your long-term investment. To find out more about our training course, there is a link in the description box that will show you the details and course guide of our operator analysis training course. Feel free to drop us a message on Facebook or WhatsApp for your inquiry. See you guys in our training class.